We're cooking Kotopoulo Kokkinisto today. Chicken cooked in an aromatic red sauce with cinnamon and allspice and bay leaf, and the chicken is just fall apart tender. Today we're serving it with Cretan Skioufikta, a very, very unique style of pasta. I'm going to show you just how to make this delicious meal. To begin, we're adding some extra virgin olive oil to our pan and we're going to brown our chicken. This part is really important because it adds more of a richness to our sauce. Today we're using Marylands. You can use any part of the chicken you prefer, even a whole chicken. I just find these pieces add more flavour to the sauce and they're more tender. Skin side down so we can get a nice char on that skin. We really want to enhance the chicken flavour here, so this is going to help do that. Our chicken has browned and we're just going to turn it over and let it brown a little bit more on the other side. We're just going to remove it and then we'll place it back in once we prepare the sauce. Starting the base of the sauce, we always start off with onion. Straight in with all those chicken juices and the olive oil. A few cloves of garlic, as always. Garlic in, give that a saute for about 2 minutes. We just want to caramelize, get as much flavor out of those onions and garlic as possible. I'm going in with half a cup of white wine. Let it heat up once more. We just want to cook off that alcohol. Stir it around, that way you're deglazing the pan. That way it picks up all that chicken goodness that might be stuck at the bottom. We've cooked off the alcohol from the white wine, and now we're going in with 700 grams of tomato passata. Get that all in. Give it a mix. And then of course we're going to add our aromats. I've got a cinnamon stick here, I'm just going to place that in to really infuse the sauce. Reminds me a lot of my Yaya Angela. She always used to use spice in her cooking. I've got 3 bay leaves here. And I'm going to add just a dash of allspice. Bit of salt, of course. And a little bit of pepper. We've prepared our sauce now. It's fragrant with cinnamon and allspice. We're going to add our chicken back in so it can cook. Just place the chicken within the sauce, nice and evenly. Like so. And then we're just going to top it off with a little bit of water. We don't want to put too much, we just want to reach the top of the chicken. This will be a good indicator of how much we need. Mix it through just a little bit. We're going to let the chicken simmer for about an hour and a half. We're going to check on it occasionally. It may need a little bit of water whilst the chicken is cooking. It depends on how fast it evaporates. But we're looking good at the moment. We're just going to let it be and we'll come back to it. The chicken's ready. You can see just how tender it is after those few hours, and that sauce is deliciously thick. It's going to coat the pasta that we're going to serve it with really well. Today we're serving it with Cretan Skioufikta, but you can use anything you like. We even enjoy it with rice most times. And what I want to do is, before I add the chicken on top, I just want to add lots of that sauce to the pasta first. You can see just how rich that sauce has become, and it smells so fragrant. It's full of cinnamon. I can just smell that allspice as well. Get that on there, be nice and generous. Just going to quickly mix it through so our pasta is coated. Our pasta is nice and coated in that sauce. Now we're just going to place our really tender and super delicious chicken on top. Oh wow, this one's really tender, it's falling apart. There we go. Last one over the top. More of that sauce, be super generous. That's the best part. Let it soak up in all that pasta. Those enjoying can see what kind of love has been put into this dish. And of course, Every kokinisto meal has to have a generous sprinkle of mizitra. It just finishes the dish off really well. All over. Don't forget to add it all on top of the pasta.